How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. I'm going to be working on a Mesa kit with the Royal Harvest blank. It's inlace acrylic, so it's like glass. But thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride, and let's see if we can get started. All right, we've got it cut, and we'll get it drilled here maybe. The Mesa uses a 25/64 bit. Well, done pretty good. Doesn't have any tear out on it. I call that successful. If we can get her. See, I think these are the ones the tubes don't fit. Yeah, the tube's a little bit loose in those. I've got a pair of pliers somewhere in this mess. There they are. I'm taking them right here, right around the middle, and just squeeze your tube just a little bit. It'll kind of egg it out. It'll don't want to squeeze it too much, but just kind of give it a little egg shape to it. It'll fit a little better, and it'll stay put, but and won't really affect anything. But let me get this glued in there and trimmed up, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, I've got her on the lathe there. Let's see if we can get it turned. Maybe. Put the speed there a little bit. 600. T-shirt's a little worn. And get our tool marks out. Wore out piece of 600 here. Might be a little bit too wore out. Hell, let's try a little polish, see what it looks like. It might be on. The rag folded up here a little bit. Looks pretty good, I think, myself personally. Yeah, let's see if we can get it put together and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody, we got it thrown together. I went with the gunmetal fixtures on this. I think it looked pretty good. I think it worked out all right. I like the colors. Of course, you know, Tennessee, I like orange. But got some orange and purple and gold in there. I think it works real well with the dark of that gunmetal. I'm not sure what else it, you know, I mean, to me it just looks better with dark colors. Or, you know, as far as dark fixtures. But that's just my thoughts. Might look pretty good with gold too. I don't know, might try one of those later. I've got a couple of those blanks. But anyway, if you've made it this far, thanks for your time and your views. I mean, it helps out a little bit. Makes me feel better anyway, feel like I'm not wasting my time. But Anyway, y'all have a good day wherever you're at, and we'll see you on the next one.